So I'm going to harvest this loofah. As you can see, it's really squishy. I can feel the insides separating from the skin. So I'm just gonna snap it off here. Hey everybody, the time has come. I finally got to harvest my loofah. I have 4 more that are still out there, and they are way bigger than this one, but this is the first one. So you can see it is super brown and crumbly. It's kind of brittle. This is exactly what you want. Harvested it when it was still pretty green, but I let it dry on my counter and now it is nice and brown. So first I'm going to just peel this off. Well, you just take the bottom out and just shake the seeds out. And these you can replant to make more loofahs. See how crispy that is? Definitely dried. So all of the seeds are going to be inside of there, as you can see, and you just pull them apart, shake them out. And there's our loofah. So just want to get all those seeds out the best you can. As it dries more, all those seeds will come out. So loofahs are used, you can use them in the shower, you can use them to wash dishes. Now if you use it in the shower, you can either cut it into little strips, like little pieces, or you can use it whole. When you use it in the shower, you use your soap and then you do like circular motions on your skin. It's like an exfoliator. You do want to make sure that it is completely dry after you use it. You do want to make sure that you get all of the soap out completely, and you make sure you want to dry it completely between uses, because it can mold super fast and it can harbor bacteria, and you don't want bacteria on your skin. So you do want to sanitize these probably once a week. You can either boil it, you can put it in the microwave, you can put it in the dishwasher, but when you sanitize it, it just kills all the bacteria to make it basically clean again. A lot of people will use like bleach. I just love the regular natural color instead of adding chemicals to it. Some people soak it in peroxide. I'm just going to let it dry all the way and take the seeds out. You don't want to use it until all the seeds are out. Now these white seeds are not going to germinate. Those aren't going to work. You can throw those away. And these black seeds should germinate just fine. So I hope you learned something about loofahs today. You also can eat them when they are the seeds are still falling. You also can eat them when they're still really small on the plant and tender. You don't want to eat them like this. That would be gross. Once they get to this point, they're not edible anymore. They're just used for your skin. So I hope you enjoyed the video about loofahs, and thanks for watching.